a clutch, I need them so much. Every single one I own just gives me a rush. The feel of the leather, the way that they gleam. Living out my perfect fashionista dream. You make me feel secure, yeah, you hold my whole world. Got me feeling like a high fashion kind of girl. I love my bags, oh, I really love my bags. Ooh, I love my bags.
Let me show you how to create your own music step by step using Gemini. First, open Gemini on your phone or browser. Now, type the kind of music you want to create. You can describe the style, mood, or instruments. For example, amapian beats, soft piano, and relaxing vibes. And just like that, your music is ready. If you want a different sound, just change your prompt and try again. Follow for more simple AI tutorials like this.